Hello guys, Jose here. So I'm back with another office chair review. Now this time I have the Ewing Flash Extra Large. It is on sale right now for $499. It is ready to support up to 550 pounds. It is a very comfortable chair with tilt mechanism, multifunctional armrest, lumbar support, 5-year warranty, but most importantly, it is very comfortable. Now I know some people say that gaming chairs are overrated, but if you're a big and tall person and you're looking for a comfortable heavy duty chair that can support you, this is a great option. Alright guys, so I'm going to start putting this chair together, but before I do that I wanted to show you what's included in the box, but also I wanted to show you how this looks. This is the back part of the chair and I can still I can already smell that new car scent. The PU leather has a special smell, but it feels good. It feels good quality. So also let me show you what's included in the box. First, I opened the box and there are the instructions. Now they also show different type of models they have. But what I like about this is that the instructions are simple. They come in different, it's just very easy to follow. They also include some white gloves. Yeah, this is what makes the whole thing operate properly. The pillow for the neck, the lower back pillow for the lumbar support. Ewing feels solid, feels good. This is to cover that little shock absorbent. We also have the wheels, very important. They feel solid. So this is the whole system, the mechanism that we're going to attach to the chair. Feels solid, it's heavy duty. And we also have the tools, the necessary tools to put this chair together. Yeah, one more thing I like about this is that the base, this is made heavy duty aluminum. So yeah, this is able to, for heavy duty people like myself, to support us, entertain us. So let me get this together and I'll get back to you guys. Let's go. Yeah, putting these chairs together is actually not that hard. Usually pretty simple stuff. So you just gotta wiggle with it. It's in. We're in business. And after that, we're gonna put this little cover, which is gonna go like right over here. Yeah, that's it. And then we're just gonna put this little thing right here. That's it. Okay, so now I need to remove these 4 screws so I can install the bottom part, the base, which is gonna go like this, the base. Now which side is gonna go? All right, so I already installed the wheels on the base, which is very simple. It's just a matter of pressing the wheels from the bottom. That's it. Now I have the base ready to go. We're going to install the little shock right here, which is going to go in the center. That's it. Now we're going to install this little cover right here, which is going to cover the shock like right there. Now I'm going to install the chair. What if I put it like this, and then I just lift it, and that's it. Well, let me sit on that to make sure it's secure. All right, I'm gonna sit for the first time. Oh, I didn't fall. Wow. Oh God, guess what? I put the base wrong. Instead of going backwards, I go forward. Okay, so if this happens to you and you already mount the chair with the base, the best thing to do is to put the chair on the standing position and just tighten the screws from underneath. It is so much easier, so much faster. All right guys, so it's time for me to test this chair to see how comfortable this is. Oh wow. Okay, let me try my neck. Okay, wow, this feels good. The first thing I notice is how relaxed my legs are. There's no pressure like underneath my legs, like behind the knees. I don't feel any pressure at all, which is something that I always look for. And my butt, my bottom feels really soft, like I'm sitting in a cloud. Feels really good. The lumbar support is good, even though I'm not using any of the pillows. I have the neck pillow right here. I don't feel like I need it. Let me see if I put it on. Okay. I feel like I'm it's been pushed forward, my head obviously, but it feels like very stiff. I kind of feel like I don't need this. Yeah, I don't think like I need this. Just without the pillows or the lumbar support, this chair feels already very comfortable. I like how wide the bottom seat is. It's very wide, so I don't have those side wings hitting on my legs, especially since I tend to cross my legs most of the time. Wow, this feels really good. I like how soft it is. They did a really good job how soft this chair is. I like it. So I have the Anda seat, which I love that seat. The quality, the materials they use is the best one I've seen so far. But after using it for a couple of months, I just find that it's really stiff. The chair is very hard on you. The material is good, but I have to use like an external cushioning because it's just so hard. This seat, I don't feel like I need that anymore. Just comfortable. I like it. All right, so let me show you the armrest. You have very different positions, which is nice. You can turn it like this. There's also a button right here, which allows you to make it closer to you or make it wider, like that. This button right here, you can make it go back or forward. It's really nice. There's another button on the other side over here, which allows you to lower it or to lift it, which is nice. I mean, you have this, I've seen in many other chairs. What I still don't understand, and why haven't they just thought of this, is this. Look, this is a touch point. Your skin is gonna touch this. And this is like a very stiff material. I mean, it's not bad. It's a little bit of cushioning, but it's still very stiff, very different from the material they use for the chair. So if this is a touch point, how come they haven't used like the same material, the same cushioning they use in the chair? This will make such a big difference. So it's just a suggestion for companies that do make this kind of chairs. Use this to put this better quality material. Cushioning, very soft material will be so much better. It'll make a chair so much different from the other ones. So here is the chair. I put it all together with the lumbar support and the little pillow on top. I just wanted to show you how it looks with it. Although I'm not gonna use it because I feel like the lumbar support is very stiff, very wide. There's a lot of pressure when I use it. And same with the neck pillow. Honestly, I feel like there's no need for it. The lumbar support is very good without them. So, but I just wanted to show you how it looks with those little pillows. Now, one thing I do love about this chair, I love how wide the bottom is. I measured it. It's about 23 inches wide. It says here 22, but it's a little bit more. It's about 23 inches. 23, but over here from the handrest, it's about 21 inches wide. So it's wide enough for me to sit in there. It's super comfortable. I like it for for a big guy like me. Really good chair. I will use this chair and I will make another video in a few more months and I will tell you how it has been holding on, because I will notice it right away. But overall, very comfortable chair. I really like it. I like the design, I like the color, and I like the comfort.